Today we head to the coast to soak up some sun after a very long and cold winter. A perfect chance to pull out the camera and capture the beauty of the day. Follow and popular track along the edge of the ocean that goes for many kilometres. We did a small section that runs from Minamurra to Cathedral Rocks. We did this walk on a mild day, so the sun felt beautiful. But with no shade to speak of, it would get mighty hot along this walk in the middle of summer. Time to lose the shoes and get that sand between our toes. I have to admit, we really are so very lucky to have such beautiful beaches here in Australia. Before turning back along the track, we found a little shaded spot to sit down and have some lunch and enjoy the view of Cathedral Rocks. Thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoy this type of thing, and we shall see you next time.